Don't look for true love in this generation. Most people today don't want something real. They want attention, validation, entertainment. They want your time, but they don't value it. They want your energy, but they don't match it. This generation is obsessed with looking perfect, not being real. And if you're out here chasing love, thinking someone's going to complete you, I'll tell you now, no one's coming to save you. You have to save yourself. While you're wasting hours over someone's mixed signals, someone else is building their business, their body, their mindset. While you're chasing love, your dreams are being left behind. You're not here to be half-loved, you're here to become legendary. Stop giving your heart to people who haven't even earned your trust. Fall in love with your future. Fall in love with discipline. Wake up early. Hustle in silence. Build something that outlives temporary feelings. When you have self-respect, peace, purpose, and income, you don't chase people, you attract quality. Not because you were available, but because you were focused. Love is beautiful, yes, but it should not be your priority right now. Peace is. Self-respect is. Your growth is. Let go of the one who ghosted you, the one who made you feel like you were never enough. They were a lesson, not your ending. Now you've got time. Use it. Turn your heartbreak into hunger. Turn your silence into success. Because when you finally level up, when you walk into a room and your presence speaks louder than words, the same people who once ignored you will wish they hadn't. But you won't even be looking back. You'll be too focused on healing, building, rising. Forget love, build yourself. Chase goals. Chase greatness. Let love find you when you're already complete. Because the day you become the best version of you, love won't be something you look for. It will be something you attract without even trying.